Yo YouTube! One more look at my Octagon LED lights. I had a problem with the... If you seen my previous videos, I used the My Light controller out of a bulb to try and control the LEDs without any flickering or scanning lines or any other artifacts. This is, by the way, the fucking antenna. Anyways, this one works perfect, but the other one I tried 3 different controllers, and each one of them were, as I was dimming it, it started to flicker. I mean, actually flicker, you can see it with your eyes. It's, I don't know, something weird. Anyways, I wouldn't recommend using the My Light controller because it's fucking shit. But anyways, what I've done, since the My Light controller goes to an RGB amp and then to the LEDs, I just took a wire from this controller, which works fine, and it just freaking goes to the other side and then connects to the other RGB amps that are in this box. So basically there's one LED controller out of a My Light LED bulb that controls all of these RGB amplifiers. So each amplifier got... Focus, you fucking fuck! Each one of these amps got 3 channels, and basically there's 2 RGB amps in each box, one for the cold white and one for the warm white, and that seems to be enough. I'm running it now at about 570 watts, which is holy crap. And I'll just lock the freaking exposure for a second, and let's dim it, and 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 dim it. And let's go to the other side. So now the Octagons, these are, by the way, 1000 watt power theater lights. One of these jobs, if you recognize them. Yay! So anyways, this is a couple of 1000 watt power lights, theater lights, shooting at the background, and these are my Octagons coming to life and coming to life and brighter and brighter. Yeah! Now let's go back so you can freaking see the curtains. Yeah, a little back, a little more back. Oh, I freaking zoomed in. Oh, stupid. Okay, so this is my chuppah. The plants are being lit in by 1000 watt power lights, and this is the Octagon. Nothing. Light. Nothing. Freaking day. Oh, and by the way, it's so freaking wide that it's lighting up my trees. I mean, this is the chuppah. Try to take it all in shot, and it actually lights up the sides. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but you see, that tree doesn't have any light on it, and now it's, well, my camera is being blinded, but yay! And just to show you a freaking human being, hello! Yep, freaking look nice. I got cold white, and I got warm white, and, well, it's not linear, but I mean, I'm gonna set it once, and I'm not gonna touch it in the middle of the chuppah, so who gives a fuck? So let's do it one more time. Dim it all the way down, unlock the exposure, let my phone figure it out, lock the exposure, and now let's blind the shit out of you. Anyways, the photographers today were very happy. You can see my previous video to see the chuppah ceremony itself. All of the photographers were very happy. The video guy were very happy as well. The magnets photographer was an idiot and used his flash, and I fucking screamed at him to turn off his fucking flash, and he did. And then he said, "Oh right, it looks nice." So yeah, there will always be dumb photographers, but I'm freaking happy. I'll try to give you as much of this in one shot. There is absolutely fucking nothing right now. There's lights from the venue itself, which is flipping far away, and look at it. It's fucking perfect. No shadows, no nothing, and it spreads perfectly. Well, obviously, 80 centimeters octagon, it should do. So let's unlock the... Yeah, very happy with them. If you want to build one, you just need to find another controller, because this one sucks. So yeah, bye bye YouTube.